Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning a painting project, choosing the right paint finish is just as important as picking the right color. But with so many options, which one should you use? Today I'm breaking down the different types of paint finishes so you can make the best decision for your space. Let's get started. Here are the 6 main types of paint finishes. 1. Flat finish. 2. Matte finish. 3. Eggshell finish. 4. Satin finish. 5. Semi-gloss finish. 6. Glossy or high gloss finish. Now let's dive into each one and see where they work best. First up, we have flat paint. This is the most non-reflective finish, meaning it has zero shine. It's great for hiding wall imperfections like dents and patches, making it ideal for ceilings and low traffic areas. However, it's not very washable, so it's best used in places where it won't get touched often. Second, matte finish. Next we have matte paint. It's very similar to flat, but slightly more durable and easier to clean. It still has a soft, elegant look and works great for bedrooms, living rooms, and offices where you want a smooth finish with minimal shine. 3. Eggshell finish. Moving on, we have eggshell finish, one of the most popular choices. It has a very subtle sheen, which means it's more durable than matte while still looking smooth. It's easier to clean and works great in hallways, living rooms, and dining rooms. 4. Satin finish. Now, if you're looking for something even more durable, check out satin finish. It has a soft, velvety sheen and is much easier to clean, making it perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, and kids' rooms. It's a great middle ground between durability and elegance. 5. Semi-gloss finish. Next, we have semi-gloss paint. This finish has a noticeable shine and is highly resistant to moisture. That makes it perfect for doors, trims, baseboards, and bathrooms. Plus, it's super easy to clean. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth. 6. Glossy or high gloss finish. Finally, we have high gloss paint. This is the shiniest, most reflective, and most durable finish available. It's perfect for cabinets, furniture, doors, and even decorative trim where you want a sleek, polished look. It's also the easiest to clean but can show imperfections more than other finishes. So there you have it, the 6 main types of paint finishes. Each one serves a different purpose, so make sure you choose the best one for your space. Which finish do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more home improvement tips. See you in the next one. Happy painting!